This application has been designed in order to reduce the communication gap between various sectors and officials of Department of Financial Service. Once the user accesses the application, then they need to define their login or register process based on their sectors and the designation they have been belonging to. Once they proceed with it, they need to provide their credentials based on they have provided to the database of the Department of Financial Services. Once the data will be matched, then they can proceed with facial authentication process. They need to click a picture of them, and once the picture have been clicked, they have to upload it in order to proceed the dashboard. Then the provided picture will be matched with the one they have been submitted to the database. If the process executes peacefully and perfectly, then they can easily access the database or the dashboard of the application. Once they log in into the application provided on their credentials, they can easily visit any circular and they can check for various data. If they want to save any circular, they can save it as well. Once they save a circular, then they can visit the circular anytime, even without the lack of internet connectivity, in order to read the circular offline. Then they can, if they have any issue regarding the circular, then they can make a query in order to define or get the details regarding any specific circular based on when the data policy starts or when it will come into action or in which state it has been upholded, and any other details that is related to or asset with the circular. Once, if they want to save a PDF format of the data that has been provided in form of circular, then they can also do that. They can easily read the circular in PDF format after downloading the PDF format of the circular. If they want to define or know that what are the different sectors or what are the different departments based on the circular they have received, then they can change the circular department option and they can visit the circular based on they have been collected from senior officials or the RBI. Then they can easily visit those circulars and read them if they want to or get any detail with them. If the user wants to check the details with the profile that he has, he can simply go to the profile section and then he can go through the profile of the user. There have been a lot of listed options available, that is name, email ID, sectors, designations, date of birth, and any other detail that he wants to see that has been connected with it, that has been matched and verified with the Department of Financial Service. If the user wants to contact to specific person, then they can easily go with the contact page. If they have some issues or they want to go through to send the application or the circular to anyone, as a senior official, as they have the access to that, then they can simply send the circular to anyone. Once they send the circular to anyone, then that will be provided in the send section, and based on that they will get an email or Gmail notification as well, providing the information or notification that a circular or a detail has been passed using their provided data. And if they want to log out of the application, they can, otherwise they can